I was really pleased with the results. But one thing I did love the most was just how amazing this pre-plucked illusion looked after doing a little extra customizing to the unit myself. So I will rate this a 10 out of 10. Hey girlies, today I'm going to give you guys more so of a detailed install using this gorgeous Yaki natural texture straight unit from Nadula Hair to create this seamless, realistic Yaki 24-inch install. So once I have the wig on, I did realize that I need to remove any extra wig or ear tabs around the perimeter just so this can give a proper fit for my liking. And this is definitely necessary so you can say that this wig is customized for you and you only. I will be going in to remove that extra HD wig cap around the perimeter of my hairline. You want to be careful and take your time doing this. I did go in with a razor first, but then I realized that it was just taking too long and I decided to go in with my shears. So we're just going to remove all of that to make sure that this is going to give a very seamless install. And I'm doing this all at home, so just remember you can do it at home and you don't have to spend an extra coin. You don't need a salon. You just need a little bit of patience and your own self and all the products that I use today in this specific video. So once we have all of that extra wig cap removed and the extra lace out of the way, we want to go ahead and customize the hairline. So I take a slither of hair out from the rest of the hair just so I can go in and remove that extra lace that I do not need on this wig. And this is going to allow my wigs to sit more realistic, especially on my forehead, because you don't want your lace to be coming all the way down to your eyebrows. That's just not what you want. And as much as these companies say pre-plucked and pre-customized, all of that, you still will have to do this, especially if you have a certain look to your wig caps or to your wigs that you're looking for, so this can have a more realistic look on you. So remember that customizing is necessary. If you don't have to, you're super lucky, but today I'm going to do a lot of customizing on myself. So I'm going to take any extra hair that I feel like I don't need to continue plucking at. But if I need to pluck behind that hair that I'm pulling out, I will do so. As you can see, that's what I'm doing right now, just so I can have a more gradient illusion. I didn't go in with any elastic band yet because I just felt like it wasn't necessary, especially if I had to do all of this harsh plucking to the hairline so it can lay properly on me. So just bear with me while I do this step, and then we're going to move on to the next one in a second. March got you already second guessing titles. April, spring's in just like a spring starts to spiral. May bring some warmer days, poolside getting very tan. June, hey, you moving ice cold, going back and forth with a merry man. July, that's when I found out. July. Alright, so once we have flattened everything out, I am going to go in with pressing out the remaining of the hair because I just felt like it was necessary, especially if I was going with these faucet-like curls like you seen in the beginning. So the hair was really gorgeous. I did receive a natural straight texture Yaki unit. Before, I was receiving a lot of these kinky straight textures which would give a more textured straight appearance to the hair, like a more I would say, like, if I could compare it to anything, it would be a crimp. And crimps can be very particular to remove from a hair texture. I would have to go in with a blow dryer to just achieve a more straighter appearance to my Yaki straight lengths. but this time I didn't have to do that because it's considered their natural straight Yaki unit. I did go in with my Conair flat iron, and I did take a little bit of pink mousse as well as my Kimbra hairspray just to flatten out the top with my wand curl, just so I can get everything super flat. You can use your hot tool, like your curling tool, to do this step, but I just had this on deck, so it worked perfectly for me. Great parting space on this unit from Nadula Hair, so shout out to them. I was really pleased with the results, but one thing I did love the most was just how amazing this pre-plucked illusion looked after doing a little extra customizing to the unit myself. So I will rate this a 10 out of 10. So I will link all of their information in the description box below. Shout out to Nadula Hair. Bye, girlies. Nadula.